G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and what I have here is the Wurth Contact electrical sprays. Today in modern vehicles there is a lot of electrical components, and these electrical components have connectors, and the connectors can get dirty, and we want a solid connection. So these products, they clean and protect all those terminals. So let's run through the range. There's 4 of them, as you can see. So Contact SW. So this is a spray wash. We spray this on, and what it does is it cleans off any grime or dirt off your electrical connections, so you get that nice firm connection and no disruption to the current running through it. The beauty of this product is it cleans very, very well, but of course it flashes off or dries very, very fast, because the last thing you want to do is connect an electrical connector with moisture in there. The next product in the Contact range is Contact OL. So what this one's for is removing the oxidisation. Now you may have seen it on battery terminals. It's that sort of fluffy, furry growth you get on your electrical connections. So this one will clean that off. And again, it flashes off or dries very fast. The third one in the range is Contact OS. So Contact OS is a spray oil. What this does is it protects the terminal or the connector from rusting or oxidisation in the future. And the fourth one in the range is Contact SL. This is a spray lacquer. Now you may have seen this spray lacquer on printed circuit boards, on armatures, but the wiring as well there. So this one, you paint over and it's a spray lacquer. So if you need to clean or protect any of your electrical connectors, have a look at the Wurth Contact range. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and the Wurth Contact range, it's ready for work.